Sign up for an account. Now you need to be verified. Go to Settings of your profile. Click on Verification. You have several ways to verify. Verification via credit card or via PayPal. So you have the possibility to edit your data. Now find the proper shipments. Click on the Trips button. Cargo search. Enter the shipping and delivery address. Enter the date and select a suitable cargo. Enter the date and select a suitable cargo. In order to respond, you need to create a trip. Enter the date of departure and date of arrival, the exact route of the trip, as well as the size of your cargo you want to transport. The application will calculate for you which of the routes can earn the most money. Choose a route and create a trip. Once you've created a trip, you can accept the offer or choose a profitable one. Once you have entered all the information, you will receive offers from senders. To find out the details, click on the Favorite Bid. If you are satisfied with the conditions and cost of transportation, you can accept the offer. If not, you can offer the sender your own service fee by entering the desired cost. Select a suitable shipment for you. Click on Select Cargo. Select a cargo that meets your requirements. Click on Respond. Write a message to the sender and specify your price for the shipment. Further communication with the shipper will take place in a private chat. After agreement, confirm receipt of the cargo. Before shipment and after transportation, the status of the cargo is recorded under signature in the user's private chat. This will help to avoid problems and misunderstandings after transportation. Confirm the delivery. Upon completion, there is a mutual exchange of feedback, which increases the rating in the system. Earn money by delivering goods from point A to point B. Everything is simple and transparent for both parties.